That's exactly what today's ruling by the state's Supreme Judicial Court will do. The state is now facing a growing crisis amid a work stoppage by lawyers across the state.
We're in a real danger here.
Norfolk County Sheriff Patrick Dermott isn't the only one who's worried. Today's ruling by the Supreme Judicial Court enacts what's known as the LaValle Protocol. It mandates any defendant who has been held for 7 days without representation be released from custody. And if a defendant goes 45 days without counsel, their case would be dismissed, at least temporarily.
It's a critical step the courts need to take.
You can potentially have hundreds of cases dismissed by the end of the month.
Right.
The issue centers around bar advocates, lawyers who take indigent cases, cases where the defendant cannot afford an attorney. Bar advocates handle 80% of these cases in Massachusetts. Many have stopped accepting new cases because they say they aren't paid enough by the state.
I can go to New Hampshire if I want to do some bar advocate work. I can do federal appeals and get paid triple. I'm just done with it. I'm not working for $65 an hour anymore.
Right now, more than 1,000 defendants are without counsel in Middlesex and Suffolk. This isn't the first time the state has had to address this issue. Back in 2004, lawmakers created a commission to look at the public defender system and improve it. Among the key findings, that the state needed to decrease its reliance on private attorneys and hire more staff public defenders. That recommendation was not adopted. Diner says the only solution is for the legislature to increase pay for bar advocates, and quickly.
The longer our system is off balance and off kilter, the more potential problems from all kinds of angles we're gonna be susceptible to.
Right now, this ruling only applies to Suffolk and Middlesex counties, with the first hearings to release defendants set for Monday. Now, at this point, murder cases are still being handled by court-appointed attorneys, so they are not impacted. As for a resolution, the legislature would have to approve a pay raise for bar advocates, and leadership in both houses pointed to severe budget concerns. We will stay on top of this and bring you updates as soon as we get them. Brittany Johnson, 5 Investigates.